Hey, so if you want to upload large files without compressing them, yeah, WeTransfer actually makes it really simple. You can send big files in their original quality without having to create zip folders or reduce anything. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, check the file size limit on WeTransfer so you know how large your files can be. This is important because the free version has a maximum limit per transfer. Then go to the WeTransfer website and open the upload interface. Click Add Files and select your large files directly from your computer. No compression needed at all. Make sure you only upload the files you actually need, so you stay within the allowed size limit. After that, choose how you want to send the files. You can either send them via email or generate a shareable link depending on what works best for you. Now click Transfer and let the upload complete. It might take some time depending on your internet speed and file size. Also, make sure your internet connection stays stable during the upload because interruptions can cause the upload to fail. Once everything is uploaded, you'll get a link or confirmation email that you can use to share the files. So that's how to upload large files without compression using WeTransfer. It's simple, fast, and keeps your files in original quality without any extra steps. Hey,